We're here at the Margaritaville Resort in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This is room number 610. Fancy door. Got some nice paintings. We like the parrots. It's very classy in a resort like this. Here we have the little dining area. And then we have the beds right over here. Can we turn a light on, please? Can we turn a light on? Maybe. Very fancy pillows, we like that. Over here, we have big old TV. Lots of dressers. I think over here is a closet space, so that's really nice. Let's see. Yep, big closet space. That's really nice. Okay, let's go outside really quickly because I've heard that the views outside are really nice. Here's better look at the beds. All right, let's open this. All right, okay, let's open the door. And a fly just came in. That's great. And then we've got our seats. And then look at that view. Look at that view of the mountains. Gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna come back around. Close this back up. All right, come back around. Here are the beds. Here we got a sink, like the coffee area, some dressers. Really like the decor, it's nice. Really tropical. All right, and then we have the bathroom in here. Very nice. Ooh, look at this shower. I mean, it looks kind of small on the video. It is huge. That's crazy. I love that. And I think that's an extra shower head up there. Really cool. Then we got a bathtub. Cool mirror with the lights, and we've got nice sink area. Lots of towels, which is really nice. And that concludes our tour.